There are many important benefits to equipping a pickup with a fiberglass tonneau cover or cap. These include enhancing the looks of the truck, protecting the cargo from the elements, and securing it. But perhaps the most important benefit of all is the improvement in fuel economy a lid and cap provide over an open bed. SEMA conducted an experiment where Chevy, Ford, and Dodge trucks were tested in the famed A2 wind tunnel in varying configurations. SnugTop provided product to use in these tests, which concluded that the use of a one-piece fiberglass tonneau cover provided a significant reduction in the truck's drag coefficient over an open bed, including with the tailgate down, and also various sectioned and rolled-up tonneaus. SnugTop also validated the SEMA data by conducting a closed-course test with a trio of cruise-controlled trucks run at 50 miles per hour for 50-lap sessions with and without a tonneau cover or cap. The truck speedometers were calibrated by the Auto Club, and the fuel consumed was carefully measured and calculated. The SnugTop Speedway test showed gas mileage improvements of up to 10% depending on the vehicle and its powertrain package. To take aerodynamic testing a step further, SnugTop decided to see how speed affected the equation. The concept was to take the fastest production pickup truck ever made in America, the 510 horsepower Viper V10 powered Dodge Ram SRT10, and take it to a place with no speed limits, the famed Mojave Mile in California. Enter the SnugTop Speed Showdown and the silver 2004 SRT10 owned by automotive enthusiast and collector Steve Sannett. To make sure the truck ran to its true potential, the stock exhaust was replaced with an efficient Borla catback system. The sound was more pleasing too. On the lubrication side, Royal Purple synthetic motor oil, transmission, and gear lube were used, as was their oil filter and Purple Ice. A 170-degree thermostat was also employed to keep the engine cool. The Viper engine's tune-up was optimized through the use of an SCT handheld programmer with the custom tune-up provided by Tori McPhail of Fast Parts Network in Florida. A crucial step was to get speed-rated tires, with a set of BF Goodrich G-Force TA radial tires providing the safety needed for high-speed operation. They were installed and balanced by the Tread Source in Moore Park, California. To top it off, a Snuglit SL tonneau cover that perfectly matched the Dodge's finish was mounted by the experts at Dayco in North Hills, California. What would any race vehicle be without some graphics? So the designs were worked out in a computer rendering, the vinyl cut on a plotter, and extra material weeded. Then, the vinyl was carefully affixed to the big ram. When the SnugTop team arrived at the Mojave Airport, the event was at a standstill, as problems with the timing equipment ultimately caused the event start to be delayed by many hours. Undaunted, the crew soldiered on. After getting the obligatory rookie run out of the way, Steve posted a finish line speed of 141.2 miles per hour from standing start. Changing the shift point slightly, the SRT10 netted a faster 143 mile per hour trap speed during the heat of the day, with a density altitude reading in excess of 5,200 feet. It should be noted that the gearing of the Dodge is such that the 6-speed T56 transmission is barely into 5th gear at the finish line. There's a lot more potential. The Snuglit tonneau was removed and the truck run with an open bed. As expected, the average of the two runs dipped into the 130s. And given the late start of the timed runs, there simply wasn't enough time to install the SnugTop cap and get a couple more runs in. Plans are to return next year for the Mojave Magnum, an event where the course is extended to 1.5 miles. This would provide the opportunity to use more of the truck's gearing, as well as get some good ABC data comparing the SRT10 with an open bed, Snuglit tonneau cover, and SnugTop cab high topper. There's a strong chance the Dodge might even exceed the known record for the fastest speed for a stock American production pickup, which stands at 154.5 miles per hour. The SnugTop Speed Showdown is to be continued.